Hi Tabassum, how are you doing?
I'm doing great too, sir.
I'm doing great too. Thank you very much for participating today's casual exam. This is not basically like exam. It will be a casual conversation. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, sir. My name is Tabassum. I'm from Gajipur. Recently, I've completed my SSC examination from Gajipur Cantonment Board Girls High School.
Okay.
I'm a positive person, honest, hardworking, and self-motivated person. I always try to learn something new and try to improve myself. I want to build a career so that I can help many people in my country. That's all, sir.
Okay. So, what do you think? How much important is it to learn English?
Well, I think it's crucial in today's world. English is an international language and it is widely used.
Okay.
For example, some visitors visit our country and they speak in English. If we don't know this language, we can't communicate with them. Besides, we have to complete our education, and it's also important. Students think they should go to abroad, and some the books in higher education are written in English, and the professors also teach in English. If one can't understand this language, they can't understand the lesson as well. And also, those who are living abroad, they need English to communicate with people in times of danger or some daily life.
Okay, so far as I understood that maybe you are trying to learn English from very early ages. So, do you really like speaking English or learning English?
Yes, sir, I really like this.
Okay. What made you interested in learning English?
Actually, sir, I want to complete my education and I want to also go to abroad, and that's why I need to learn English.
Okay. At your home, how do you practice English?
At home, I usually practice English with myself. Sometimes I stand in front of the mirror and talk, as the reflection is my friend. And I sometimes ask questions and I also reply to class.
So you do the monologue practice.
Yes.
Okay. What's your dream in your life?
My dream is to become a doctor.
Okay.
I thought a lot about this profession. I want to help people, those who can't afford medical treatment. I want to give them medical treatment for free. There are many people in our country who are poor, so I always try to help them whenever they are sick.
Okay. Do you want to study your doctor degree like MBBS abroad or in this country?
First, I will try for completing my MBBS in my country, and after I completed in my country, then I will go to abroad.
You will go abroad, okay. For higher degrees.
Yes.
Okay. Now, my final question is to you. Though you are quite good in speaking and the other stuff that we have just noted here, so did you feel any improvement before joining this course at Talent Hut and after completion of this course?
Yes, I feel different. First of all, I'm really quiet person. I'm an introvert, and after coming to Talent Hut, I'm become a little extrovert.
Okay.
And firstly, I can't speak in English very well. After coming here, I can speak English far than before, better.
Okay. Do you think that Talent Hut is providing you the better service that they are committed?
Yes, sir, they're really committed and service better. Our teacher is very friendly and supportive. He helps me in various situations.
Okay. Is there any specific part of the course you really enjoyed and you think that it helps you to improve?
Yes, sir, our presentation day, I really think that it helps me a lot.
It helps you a lot. Okay, that's great. What's your future plan of learning English?
If I stop this, I will fail and lose my fluency in English. So I will always try to continue it.
Okay, wonderful. Congratulations, Tabassum, for completion of this course. It was very short course, like 2 months, but you know that language never comes in 2 months, so take time, right? So I will strongly recommend you to just keep continuing your learning, never stop learning. Okay, so have a good time. Thank you very much for joining.